Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Xbox One not starting. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: check power connections. Ensure the power cable is securely connected to the console and outlet. Test the power outlet with another device. If using a surge protector, connect the console directly to the wall outlet. Reset internal power supply. For this purpose, you have to unplug the power cord from the console, wait for 10 seconds, reconnect the power and press the Xbox button to turn it on. Inspect power supply unit. Check the power bricks indicator light. If there is a solid white or orange light, power supply is functional. If there is no light, power supply may need replacement. Perform a hard reset. For this purpose, press and hold the Xbox button on the console for 10 seconds. Wait a few seconds, then press the Xbox button again to turn it on. Check for overheating. Place the console in a well-ventilated area. Ensure vents are not blocked by dust or objects. If the console feels hot, turn it off and allow it to cool before restarting. Disconnect external devices. For this purpose, you have to turn off the console, unplug all external devices, restart the console. Access Xbox Startup Troubleshooter. Turn off the console and unplug the power cord. Reconnect the cord after 30 seconds. Press and hold the pair and eject buttons, then press the Xbox button. Release buttons after hearing two power-up tones. Use the troubleshooter menu to repair startup errors. Perform an offline system update. Download the update file from the Xbox website to a USB drive formatted as NTFS. Insert the USB into the console, access the troubleshooter and select offline system update. Contact Xbox support. Visit Xbox support, request assistance or submit a repair request. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.